In this video, I'd like to show you how to use Audacity to add music along with an audio track. So the first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you have already removed the room tone from your original track. Get rid of anything that is not already silent. Maybe you want to keep this so we can create silence by using this button right here. It says Silence Audio. And so I want to make sure that I've edited my entire track before I add music. That way we don't have to move more things around later. So I'm going to go to the internet and I'm going to go to a website called Purple Planet. I know that Purple Planet has royalty-free music. There are many other places you can go to like BinSound or Hook.com, and so those places provide royalty-free music. So when I come to Purple Planet, I'm going to look through the different categories and I'm going to find music that goes with what I'm going to be putting into my podcast. So we're just talking about the word respect, so I'm just going to get some nice quiet music. And so you can listen to these different types of music. You find one that you like. So this is the one that I've already decided I'm going to download, so I can play it for a second. And this is nice and quiet. It's not going to distract my audience. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. And so Purple Planet is preparing my track, and at Purple Planet all I have to do is click download MP3. And so it's going to download it right here. I am using Chrome, so it's going to show up right here for me. And so my Audacity is already open, and I can just pick up my audio track and drag it over to Audacity. And so I can see clearly that my music added. Okay, music is recorded in stereo. We recorded in mono, so just one track. And I can see here that I've added my music, and so far this is what it sounds like. And so when people start talking, this music might be too loud, so I might need to use the envelope tool, or I might need to just turn down the music. And if I turn it down over here by using the gain, it'll make the entire track softer. There's another video called How to Use the Envelope Tool, which means that you can just find different sections of the music that you kind of quiet, and that way you can fade it in and fade it out. So that's how you add music.